Hi all, let's take you through how Bito's code review agent works. So the moment you create a merge request or pull request, Bito gets notifications and immediately starts code review. As a part of code review, Bito goes through all the changes in the merge or pull request and generates a summary, which is provided out here. This is based off of code changes that are done. Bito also provides you a quick summary. Here, as you can see, it has provided 3 actionable suggestions. You can click on it and you can get to the actual suggestions out here, like missing resource cleanup, non-thread safe cache implementation, and incompatible types. It also provides you a change list, which basically summarizes the changes done, the key change as well as the files impacted, and provides you a brief description about the changes done in each file. Then it provides you inline feedback on the code that has issues along with suggestions. So here you can see it has identified missing resource cleanup, which will basically lead to permanent resource leaks. It provides you code suggestions out here which can be directly applied. You can basically apply this and directly commit the changes. Similarly, it has identified another issue out here, which is basically non-thread safe, cache implementation. It has also provided the session instead of using hash map to use concurrent hash map. The third session is very important. Here it basically shows you our use of 3.7 with tool calling capability. So Bito's code review agent is implemented as an agent which has access to tools, and using 3.7 reasoning capabilities, it does human-like review. Here it has basically identified that network data fetcher, which basically uses linked list, is basically creating an object which is then used to create data processor, and data processor attempts to cache it to array list, causing a class cast exception in production. Now to figure this out, Bito actually went using 3.7, identified application.java being the file where network data fetcher is called, and then is used to create the data processor object, and then went to the data processor file to identify that, oh, it's typecasting it to array list, which would basically cause the class cast exception. And it basically gives you a suggestion that you can directly apply. So let's go to the IDE. Here, as you can see, there are multiple changes done to this particular repository. Let me quickly go and use Bito to code review it. I can click on Bito code review agent. There are various options out here: review local changes, stage changes, commit IDs, and so on. I will basically click on review local changes. As you can see, it generated the code review feedback, and you can basically look at the suggestions as well as directly click on apply to immediately apply the suggestion where required by clicking on apply.